So today what we're going to do is we're going to use a gate valve. We're starting to use gate valves as compared to three-way valves because a gate valve is easier to maintain and operate. It's pretty straightforward. It's either closed or open. So when it's open, the water is going back into the sewer system. When it's closed, the water is going out to the Greywater system. But also the gate valve acts as a check valve, so any of the sewer waters can't come back up into this unit, as well as that this particular one has a special seal on it, so it's going to prevent any type of sewage gases and everything else from leaking up into the area as well. They're also very repairable, meaning that in time, probably about 10 years down the road, is that they can actually remove these screws and this gate valve will slide out and they can put a new gate valve in case it gets corroded or some other issue starts to arise. There's a washer in there too, so that washer starts to go away. The three-way valve is more of a ball valve, and it takes a little more muscle to turn it around. They seem to get a little bit crusty at times, and they have a tendency to the handles to break occasionally. So hopefully we're going to eliminate that problem with this type of product. And it's also something easy for a DIY person to do, so that it's pretty straightforward. You don't have to worry about, okay, what's open, what's closed, is my handle pins the right direction, so it's pretty straightforward. In this case, underneath the house, you have the shower coming down and it has a long tube before it hits the trap. So that long trap, we're going to cut it and we're going to shorten it up and bring it up higher. That'll allow us to come out at a higher level for the gray water, and then the gray water will then flow out down into the yard. What we're going to do is we're going to cut right here, and we're going to cut right here, and then we're going to twist this trap to face outward. But also we're going to take out a big section of this pipe so that we can move it up higher, and we're going to insert this gate valve in there so that we can, and then this handle is going to extend to the exterior of the house, as well as the pipe, the gray water pipe is going to go to the exterior of the house. So now when they want to go to the sewer, they pull it out, and then all the sewer water comes down and goes into the sewer. It's actually placed like that. And when they close it, it'll back up and the gray water will go out into the yard. So, and then the sewer to continue, when it comes in the sewer, it's open and comes out this way and will come back into the regular sewer line right here. So the only thing you're going to see on the outside of the house is the gray water pipe and the handle.
This is where we cut the original shower pipe. This right here is the trap. If you notice, we turned it around. Now it's facing the exterior wall. This is the T. One part is going down to the gate valve and the other one is going out towards the exterior wall. This right here is the gate valve. This is where the gate valve handle is going out to the exterior wall. This is the sewer feeder pipe. This is going to go back to the sewer. This is the gray water feeder pipe. This is going outside. It gets connected to a filter distribution box, or it just goes straight out to the lawn. This is the sewer connection. This is where we're going to connect back into the sewer line. This right here is where it used to be connected to the trap. But remember, this is where we made the cut. Right here is the air vent. This is going up to the air vent, right to the roof. Okay, now this is the final connections. Right here is where we removed this portion here. We just removed it right out and replaced it with this straight pipe going straight down to this T. This T now, this portion, this side of it here is going straight to the sewer, main sewer line. And this side here now is connected to the gray water. So right here is the gate valve. So if this is open, the gray water is going to go down through this pipe into this T and straight out into the sewer. If the gate valve is closed, the gray water is going to back up through this T and go straight out to a filter box or directly to the lawn.